Soak the poha, flatten rice, for half an hour. Boil 500 milliliters milk. Add half cup of coconut palm sugar or white sugar. Stir well on low flame. Add half cup of desiccated coconut. Keep stirring on low flame for about 10 minutes. Add the soaked poha. Cook on low flame until the poha becomes tender for another 10 minutes. When it boils, add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Stir it and switch off the flame. Heat another pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. To the melted ghee add 10 raisins and 10 cashew nuts. Roast until cashew nuts are light brown. Add to the payasam. Payasam is ready to be served to friends and family. Just divine. Like, share and subscribe.